So today I'm going to show you how to make these orange pomanders. It's a really easy, fun DIY decorating task for the holidays. So join me and I'll show you how I put them together. There's just a few things you need. So what you're going to need: oranges and cloves, and you've got yourself some decorations. And the only other thing you're going to need is something to pierce the skin of the orange. I'm going to be using a thumbtack. You can also use toothpicks, and especially if you're going to be doing this project with children, definitely recommend going with the toothpicks instead of the thumbtack. So an orange pomander is a fragrant holiday decoration. So we're going to combine the scent of the oranges with the spice of cloves. And what makes this fun is you can make pretty much any pattern that you want to make. And so there we have it. In no time at all, I've got a bowl full of orange pomanders. I'm going to put these out on display. They're going to smell great all season long. So thank you very much for watching. Don't forget to click like and subscribe. And happy holidays from here at the Frog Pond Veg Patch. Bye-bye.